Hi guys, it's Daniel here. So I know you've probably seen this effect trending on Twitter, on YouTube, and on Instagram, and maybe you're wondering how to do it. Today I'm here to show you how to do this dripping effect using your smartphone and a little bit of creativity. So without further philandering, let's get right into it. So once you are in PicsArt, you want to cut out the background. To do this easily, just go to cut out and then choose outline. So what you want to do is you want to make an outline at the edge of the picture. The application will help you automatically cut out the background. So I'll do this and I'll be back. So as you can see, the picture is highlighted for you. Now there are some rough edges here you would want to get rid of, like this place for example. Reduce the size of the eraser. Now this eye tool will help you to see the background. And what I want to do is just go on and clear that out. Simple as that. And if there is any way you want to outline, just pick on this brush tool and paint it out yourself. That's pretty much everything you need to know about this. So let's just go ahead and save it. I'll save it as a sticker. Go on and press save. So now what you want to do is open up another plain background or white background. So pick canvas. Then I want it to be a 1024 by 1024. Yep. Now what you want to do is import your photo. This is the one we'll be using. Okay. Drag it out, resize it. So when you're done with that, open this layer button. Make sure you click the first one, then click on this add an empty layer, then change the blend mode to lightning. Close that. So go on and add a new sticker. Search for black drip. There are lots of stickers there, so just choose any one you want. I'll go for this. Now all you have to do is erase this remaining part. So to do this easily, just click on the eraser button, then choose your white color. Now go to create shape, click on the rectangle, make sure it is filled and not stroke. Press OK. Now what you want to do is create another empty layer for the background. I've created one already. Just move it somewhere around here. Leave it like that. Now go to stickers, and what you want to search for now is sky. So just choose any one you want. I'll go for this. So now I want to go ahead and save this. Go to edit image. We're not done yet. Go to effects. Now search for magic here. Choose the undead. Yep. So you want to reduce the fade. This varies depending on the type of picture you want. I'll put this around 95. Check this. Then I'll save this. we're not done yet. Go to stickers. I love to use this a lot. So go to neon. Where is it? Okay, yeah, this is it. Now this is what you want to do. Now the last thing you want to do is go to effects again, go to effects. Now dodger here is what we want to use. Set it to a value of 50 to make the color pop more. Okay, this is good. So yes, that is how you can create the dripping effect using your smartphone. So you can see it is a very simple thing to do. All you need is your smartphone and a little bit of creativity. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Please do well to subscribe so you can see more content like this. And also you can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and you can also message me directly on my WhatsApp line, which is in the description. And that will be all for now. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.